Good morning.
Good morning, guys.
This is my daily routine when I'm in my hometown for the weekend.
Good morning, guys. Come on.
I would say I'm definitely not a morning person at all.
Hi everybody, I just woke up.
I will show you guys what my journey in Paris looks like.
I'm very excited to be the part of EMLWorldFinal 2021 finalists.
Good morning everyone, today is Saturday.
Now it's time to do breakfast.
As usual, I prepared chia seeds with yogurt for my breakfast.
Adios, amigos.
Hi, I work after school at the fashion store Shubi. Oh, that's my favorite.
Okay, so now I have to do some stuff for school.
We just made lunch.
I'm gonna make myself some food now, and after that, I'm gonna play some basketball with my boys.
And now, after a long, tiring day, I'm going to meditate for a while. But this evening, I have a photo shoot.
I've just finished Coco Roche's bootcamp training session. I'm now off to DJ at Pirate Studios.
We got pasta bolognese.
Good night and bye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Good night.